Okay, so we're going to solve the same problem that I've shown you using the Excel spreadsheet in the manual fashion. We're going to use a computer program, and there is one such program available at this URL. If you go to this URL, you will see this web-based calculator for ROC curves. So we are going to see what kind of results, or what sort of results it's going to generate for us. If we scroll down, we can see there are boxes for entering the data in and boxes for receiving the various output. We can also see the data format, or rather the format in which the data needs to be entered in. So firstly, I'm going to paste the values for the men. So I've given, in order to do this with two categories, you've got to give one category, for example, the positive category, a value of 1, and the negative category a value of 0, which is what I'm going to do. The next thing I'm going to do is paste the other categories values, which I've given a 0. So the data is now entered. I'm going to choose format 5 for this purpose, and if you go to the website you will understand why. And then I'm going to click on run program, and there you have the output from the program. So obviously a computer program will work out the confidence levels and work out all the fine points that we interpolated when we did the semi-manual curve fitting. You can then take these output data and you can paste them into Excel, and you can generate this curve here. You can also look at the output if you wish. So it's generated the false positive values and the true positive values at each level. So and because it's a computer program, it can do this for all of the very minute data points as well. Now what's interesting here, if we scroll up and down, we can see that it's chosen an optimal cutoff of 3.46 for this particular test as being giving the best combination of false positive and true positive rates. So 10.8%, 83%, which is very similar to what to the region that we identified on the manual curve.